Hello.
Hello.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day to all the fellas out there and their significant other.
Tonight, we want to show y'all our decorations for the table.
Yes, we came up with some ideas to Valentine's Day because you know how Miss Anchor Mills here, she gonna celebrate every holiday and she gonna put it all down. She go all the way out. And then, y'all done seen the Christmas table, y'all done seen the Halloween table, y'all done seen the Easter table. She do a holiday. I mean, she get out. You know what I mean? So, just a little something she did for Valentine's Day. I didn't really help her that much. She had most of the creation, but I did put in my little input on certain stuff. So could you let them see the table?
Yes.
Well, as I said, this is the decoration. Go a little closer. This is the decoration that she did for Valentine's Day. She spread it out, some rose petals with candy, hearts and all. And she just got a little creative, but she did all this for me.
This right here.
And I feel so special.
This is mine. We're going to paint the little art paint thing. And we're going to paint these. And we're going to do our night routine with these face mask things. And we're going to paint the big heart. This is my setup, my area.
And you know what?
And this is Terrence's area.
And this is kind of crazy because I can't remember the last time that I actually did a project like this. It had to be something like in middle school or something, or elementary one, since I did something like this as far as this little water paint thing like this. Now, I have painted houses or helped paint houses or whatever, but that's different. This is something that reminds me of my school, elementary days of school, so it's going to be exciting.
Yep. And we have the wine cups. It says be mine, and the small one says husband, and the big one says wife. So this is something I created. We were supposed to go to the movies and Dave & Buster's, but it's really crowded. So we came up with this idea. Really cute.
Yeah, and I'm gonna show y'all a little bit later in a few minutes. That I'm preparing dinner tonight, which is a seafood dinner tonight, and I ain't gonna tell y'all what it's gonna be, what kind of seafood, but we're gonna get back on that part and we're gonna bring that little video in, let you see how I do my seafood thing.
That's gonna be a separate video.
That's gonna be something different a little bit later in this whole broadcast.
And we got some balloons.
And yes, we got these. I bought these right here for my baby.
X's and O's, tit tight toes. X's and O's, tit tight toes.
I like them because they're all together. They're not just like one balloon. It's just all one balloon together.
So yeah, this is all our decorations. What we're gonna do for Valentine's Day. Bye.
Hello, I'm Terrence.
I'm Carlette. And tonight we are painting. I got this Dollar Tree. This is what my picture looked like. So we are painting.
And by the way, you fellas, I want to let all y'all know that even if y'all are not in a relationship at this moment, or just had a bad relationship, happy Valentine's Day to you and your family, and we're praying for you.
Yeah, we're praying for y'all. Y'all have a good Valentine's night.
Oh, and by the way, Colette finna explain to y'all this artist. I'm not an artist. I don't paint. I ain't never painted nothing like this now. But it takes me back to elementary school when we used to be painting little stuff like this here when we was young kids. And I haven't done it since then. So y'all gotta give me a break. Now I don't know what Colette got going on. This is the stand,
and you put it like this, and it comes with the mini paint. So we're gonna paint these for Valentine's Day. Terrence got the 2 cats, and I have the unicorn.
Unicorn? That's what that is?
Yep.
I didn't realize that was.
I had a unicorn, and Terrence have the cats. So that's what we're doing. We were also gonna go to Dave and Buster to the movies, but they so crowded. So we gonna do something at home.
And also, there is a prize for who looks
and we
the
got
best,
our
and they're going to be judged by our son, which is my stepson, Cody. He's going to judge them. He's not going to know which one is hers or which one is mine. We're just going to ask him which one he thinks looks the best, and whoever wins, they're going to get $50, and they're going to be treated to dinner of their choice wherever they want to go on the 28th of this month. So, good luck. Call it.
You have to open the paint, Terrence.
How do you open the paint?
With your teeth. Because I can't. You got yours open?
Yeah, you just pull the spot right here back. See right here? Pull that front lid. You got to pull that lid back.
I can't
get the lid back. I got the first one open. Okay, you got that one.
I was opening mine with my teeth.
Call it, look. Oh, you got yours now?
Yeah.
They're easy to open. You got to pick it up right. Like
everything but the red and the purple.
See, anything you pull down too far, you're gonna.
I'm gonna open my.
See, all mine are open.
Okay, the paints are open, and now we're going to.
That's how they came like this. They don't be in.
Yeah, they came like this.
They don't be in nothing to hold this like to make it stay. See how it? Well, I guess it's still okay. Okay. Let the show begin. Let the contest begin. I'm gonna see what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do it like this. Huh? I want my cat to be Barbie cat.
We got pink for the hearts.
I make a Barbie cat. Barbie cat. Like I said, y'all, I'm not an artist. I'm not a painter, no kind.
And guess what? You won't believe this.
But it's fun. It's going to be fun.
This is our first time doing this.
We did paint for Christmas ornaments, but this is the first time us doing something just a little bit different, if you ask me. But it's the same thing we did. We painted on Christmas. We painted our own ornament. No, that was Thanksgiving, wasn't it? Or fall.
That was fall.
That was
October.
Fall. That was fall. That's right.
We did our fall. We did our fall
decorations. We painted our fall leaves, and they came out great. So maybe we have some experience. I don't know.
Tell you think we should open a paint shop?
Not that good yet. This is just like something. But you do have to be patient and take your time so you don't go outside the lines and nothing. And it won't look right again. So you have to take your time with it. You can't rush it. It's patience. Give you something to do. Relax your mind, and maybe while you paint, you're thinking. You know? Leave all that stress you have all week long. Jobs and people. Because people gonna always try to make your day bad because they day bad. Some people will. You're running them all the time. But you gotta just put the devil under your feet and just stomp him. And keep it moving. Because that's what his job and his duty is, to try to make your day bad. If you let it.
Terrence, pick your stand up.
I want mine to lean back further like this, and it went back too far. So it won't have to be, when I paint, but I needed something behind that. If I had something behind that, then let it stop from moving. Yeah, put. Okay,
you gotta fix it because it's on the flowers.
Don't worry about it. Long as I can live in it. See here? See how I did that? I like that because I can lean it. And it ain't gonna fall. Now, I got to come back here with He has on a pink shirt, y'all. Let's see, Bobby shirt. She has Bobby shirt. No. Let's get that out. And I'm gonna try to do this here and give him a
Go to and stop recording.
Cause there's a lie and the truth ain't me. That's why he stopped recording.
So I'm doing my unicorn. I'm starting out with pink on the hearts. I'm gonna show y'all. I did too, but it's okay. Finish. You did good. The napkin right there on the table.
I messed that up. I knew
I messed mine up a little bit.
Yeah, but I messed that up bad. How do I get that off? I'm trying to get it off. Oh, well. Start over. They won't let me. They might. Look at it. I think I got it.
Good.
You see it?
Yeah, you got it.
Look it up. Like it ain't never really. Just paint over it, right?
Yep.
That would be real paint. That wouldn't happen. Let me get that off. Let me see now. I gotta think of something to do. Could I go on purple, go paint with the ears? Yeah, cat, man. Pretty cat. Pretty cat. It's a pretty cat. Cut it.
This is nice thing to do. Don't you think so, Terrence?
Yeah, I'm not good at it. I think I need to take back that bad thing. Because Corey's gonna say, oh, I like that one.
Corey ain't gonna say nothing.
Yeah. And the fat face gonna be blue. Because he's blue today. He's a blue cat. And you need them love. It's the blue cat. A blue cat with a blue face. His whole face gonna be blue. I miss this all up. Blue face. A blue cat.
Cute.
Man, that's a blue cat.
So what's wrong with the blue cat? Nothing is wrong with the blue cat.
Paint.
So what's there's nothing wrong with it. There's nothing.
Let this go to Jenna's wedding. Take this cat to the wedding. So look, put this on this. She did this herself. Now look at that. Look at that, y'all. Grady. She fried down the bottom of crab legs. You got the lobster tail. I'm saying these some big lobsters. Look at them. Oh yeah. Colette did it all, man. She did her thing, man. So I just want to let y'all know that I'm putting in. She in school with me. I'm teaching her, but she gotta want to be teached. That's all.